If you want to set up the driving mode on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we want to proceed to Modes and Routines, and then in here we should be able to find the driving option. Over here, we should be able to first choose if you want to minimize distractions, so then we will see what will happen when the driving mode is activated. Or you can choose the custom option and you can customize it and adjust it to your needs. In my case, I'm going to stick with the minimize distractions option and we're going to tap on get started. And there we go. Now in here we can see that we have automatic driving mode. So in theory, when the phone detects that you are driving, then it should be automatically enabled. You can also manually enable and disable the driving mode in here. Once you have the driving mode set up, which at this point is set up, you can go to the quick settings panel, and then over here in modes, if you have this car icon, you can tap on that icon to turn on or turn off driving mode. Or if you don't have that icon, you can tap on the modes button itself, and then here we should be able to find the driving option, so you can tap on it in order to turn it on or turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.